What if your notes, half-finished ideas, or brainstorming sessions could easily transform into finished work? What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another AI video. Today we're diving into Skywork AI. Skywork invites you to simply brainstorm, upload files, paste links, and then the platform quietly turns this into comprehensive documents, slides, sheets, visuals, and much more. Now, to show you what this is all about, we're going to head over to skywork.ai. Of course, the link is going to be in the description as always. Now, once you land on the home page, let's go ahead and log in. I'm going to continue with Google. All right, so this is the main interface and it is nice and clean. All right, so there's a couple of ways that we can jump into things. If you're looking for a specific output, we've got documents, slides, sheets, posters, websites, designs, and videos. For example, let's click on documents. Now, once we click on documents, we're going to see a bunch of document style templates that we could go ahead and use if we want to, or just draw inspiration from. Let's click on slides. So here's a bunch of slide templates as well. Maybe we're doing a marketing plan, Christmas party, business insights report. All right, to kick things off, I'm going to go ahead and select the documents option. So when I do that, I get a bunch of different templates that I can consider and use as a template. I'm just going to come over to the very top. I'm going to punch in my prompt here. Create a concise newsletter style document showcasing trending AI news for the week. And then I'm just going to add, make it cinematic and futuristic looking. Let's go ahead and punch this in. All right, so once I do that, Skywork is going to get to work and it's going to break down my request into a structured plan and then execute it. Okay, so we can see that Skywork is going to go ahead and execute the plan, but first it's going to gather the latest AI news. So it's going to do all the relevant research. And then here we go. It has successfully created a concise newsletter style document showcasing the trending AI news for the week. The document has been compiled from the latest developments across major tech companies and AI startups. And then we see all the different topics it's going to go ahead and cover. Let's go ahead and open it up. All right, here we go. Here's our document, AI Weekly Digest, your essential update for the week ending January 10th, 2026. It kicks off with a short little intro mentioning NVIDIA, Elon Musk, CES 2026, and then we have top stories. I'm actually going to come to the top here and open this up in a new tab so we can see it in a bigger screen. All right, here we go. Here is our newsletter. So we've got our top stories. Elon Musk raises a bunch of money. CES 2026, AI gets physical. Policy, law, and society. Startups and funding frenzy. Trend spotlight, the rise of agentic systems. And then at the very bottom, we can see all the different sources that actually went into this document. So in this case, we have a combined 10 different sources that went into our newsletter. So just a quick recap of what went on here. So Skywork organizes the ideas, builds a clean document, structures sections logically, and keeps everything readable and editable. All right, so here's the part that I love. I don't have to come back to the home page and select a different output from the beginning here if I don't want to. I can just come back to our chat box and type this into the chat. Turn this document into a concise slide deck. Let's go ahead and punch that in. So when I punch that in, Skywork is going to recognize that this request would be best handled by the slides mode. So I'm going to go ahead and switch to ensure higher quality results by clicking on generate right here. All right, so here we go. This just opened up a different chat box, but retained all the relevant information. And I just said that I want to make my initial document into slides. So we do have a slides outline that was generated, and then we can see the generation on the right-hand side. I'm just going to go ahead and open this up. Let's open this up into a new tab. All right, here is our concise slide deck. So right away, this is looking super clean and it's retaining the overall look that I was going for. So we've got our AI weekly newsletter this week in artificial intelligence. We've got the date. Let's scroll down. We've got major AI company announcements, which includes companies like NVIDIA, Google, OpenAI. Let's keep scrolling. We've got emerging AI startups and innovation, AI regulation and policy updates. And the last page is industry impact and future outlook. This is looking super clean to me. I'm very happy with the consistency in the overall theme and look. So this is just a super effective way to present our information in various types of outputs. So whether we're talking documents, slides, sheets, posters, the list goes on. All right, for this next one, we are back on the home page and I actually want to jump over to posters. So let's click this right here. So with posters selected, we can describe the poster we want to generate or upload a reference image. And this is powered by Nano Banana Pro. Now I'm just going to come over here to our inspirations. So we have a bunch of inspirations that we can draw from. Why don't we try this prompt on for size? Create a cinematic poster about an upcoming social event that's going to take place at the end of the month. Make the poster winter themed. Let's go ahead and punch this in. All right, I'm just gonna select some follow-up questions here. So we do have some design questions. Let's just come on down here. Now I'm gonna select cozy, nostalgic winter. We've got warmed toned vintage aesthetic with textured paper background in cream and soft winter hues. And this just goes on here. I'm gonna come over here and select a 9x16 vertical poster. And let's go ahead and click on continue. All right, here is our poster on the right-hand side. Let's have a look. I'm just gonna go ahead and download this. Okay, so here's our poster blown up. And as you can see, it followed my direction to a T. Now I did keep things super simple. So we've got winter social gathering. Join us for an evening of warmth and connection. End of January 2026. Okay, but let's say I want to edit my poster right inside the canvas in real time. So with the select tool selected, we just want to make sure we have our poster selected. And at the bottom, we're going to have a whole bunch of options ranging from editing text, erasing, expanding, upscaling, inpainting, removing the background. Or what I can do is click right here and add this to the chat. So I have my poster added to the chat and we can go from here. Okay, so let's try this revision on for size. Make the poster a bit more Christmas themed. Change all of the text to a more festive font, but leave the winter social gathering headline as is. Let's go ahead and submit this. All right, here we go. This looks amazing. And this completely followed my direction. Now we can see we pretty much have the exact same poster as before, but more of a Christmas theme. And then we have our font that was looking a bit too basic for my liking. So we made it a bit more festive just by telling it to do that. And this result is amazing. Now, the nice thing is we're still going to have our original poster generation in our canvas. So if we're not happy with our second generation, we could always just come back, reselect the poster, add it to chat, and then try again. But my second generation here is exactly what I was looking for. So this is just a super easy way that we can make our refinements right inside the chat box. Now, just a quick recap here. Skywork supports documents for thinking and writing, slides for storytelling and presentation, sheets for analysis and structure, posters for visual communication, and the list goes on. And the key here is that everything feels connected. Now, my final takeaway with Skywork is that Skywork organizes your thinking, it retains context, and it quietly turns raw ideas into finished outputs in no time at all. And if you want to try Skywork out for yourself, I've got a link in the description and pinned comment below. I'll also give you a 10% discount when you sign up. With all that, good luck and have fun with your creations.